Hello children, how are you? Children, I told you to revise lesson 6 and 7 and the lesson now what we are doing lesson 8 also. Now let us complete this lesson 8, okay? Lesson 8 let us complete now. We know lesson 8 is multiplication and division of fractions. So we have completed the multiplication everything. Now we have to complete division of the fraction. Division. So to do the division, I already told you a small concept, reciprocal. Reciprocal. Now we are going to use that reciprocal concept in the division here. So see here first, lesson 8, page number 99. Take page number 99. Here you can see division of fractions. Yes, division of fractions. Here self-practice AD. Self-practice AD. Yes, self-practice AD. We are going to do self-practice AD. Read the question. Find the quotient in the simplest form. Change the division into multiplication. Got it? So we are going to find the reciprocal now. When you change the division into multiplication, so we have to find this number. No, we know the number is 1 by 5. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 5? Reciprocal of 1 by 5. When you multiply 1 by 5 and one more number, the answer will be 1. Product of two numbers is 1. That is the reciprocal. 1 by 5 into just change the numerator and the denominator. Yes, this denominator goes to numerator and the numerator comes to denominator. Yes, if you cancel, see 5 cancel, 1 cancel. So answer is 1. So we told you reciprocal means when you multiply two numbers, answer is 1. Yes. When we multiply any two number, answer is 1. So this is the reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 5? 5 by 1 is the reciprocal. Yes, got it? So 5 by 1 is the reciprocal. So 7, you change the symbol. Division you change into multiplication. Afterwards, after changing this, denominator goes to numerator. Yes. Denominator goes to numerator and the numerator comes to denominator. Yes, got it? So now see that. So afterwards, multiply the numerator. 7 multiply 5. Yes, 7 multiply 5 how much? 7 multiply 5 by 1. Yes, 7 5 how much? 35. 35 by 1. Yes. So answer how much? Answer is 35. Got it? Answer is 35. Now let us see the question number 2. Question number 1, question number 2. 18 divided by 3 by 5. 18 divided by 3 by 5. Just same concept. First number write as it is. First number write it. Yes. Afterwards, the division symbol change into multiplication. Yes. When you change the division to multiplication, next step is you have to change this number. Change the numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Yes. Just change and write 5 by 3. So this number we are telling as the reciprocal. Yes. 3 by 5 for this reciprocal is 5 by 3. Yes. First concept Just first number, whatever number, write. Next, division means change into multiplication. Then afterwards, just change the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Yes, got it? Change and return. Now see that any common factor cancel it. 3 here is 18. Yes, divide this 18 by 3. Okay, divide. Here is 1 times 3. In 18, how many times 3? Yes, 6, 3, 18. Yes, so 6 times there. Yes, now see that 6 multiply 5 how much? 6 multiply 5. Answer is 30. Yes, answer is 30. 6, 5, 30. Next, see the third question. Question number 3. That is 7 by 9. 7 by 9 divided by 7. Yes. So first same concept. Write the first number 7 by 9. Just symbol we are changing. Yes. Multiplication you are changing, and what we have to do? Yes. So we know this number is as 7. 7. Yes. This is 7 and opposite to this. Yes. 7. Reciprocal for this 1 by 7. So you are telling no, 7 means you can tell 7 by 1. So reciprocal for this 1 by 7. Yes, you can cancel answer is 1 only. Yes, reciprocal. So this number which is in the form 7 by 1. Yes, 7 by 1 also equal to 7 only. There is no confusion. 7 by 1. 7 equal to 7 by 1. Okay, both are same only. So reciprocal for this, you are to write denominator goes to numerator and numerator comes to denominator. So 1 by 7. Yes, cancel it. 7 7 common, cancel it. And this side there is no common factor. So 1 multiply 1, 1 by 9 multiply 1, 9. So answer is 1 by 9. Yes, got it? 1 by 9 is the answer. Next, let us see question number 4. Question 4. Question 4, that is 8 divided by 21 divided by 7 by 3. Yes. So guys, look at this question. Fraction divided by fraction. Yes. Two fraction we have to divide. Yes. First fraction write 8 by 21. Afterwards, next one we are changing division. The process we are doing as you have to change the division symbol into multiplication. Yes. Yes. Write the multiplication. Then afterwards, change the numerator and denominator. Just interchange. Yes. 3 goes outside and 7 comes downside. Yes. Numerator comes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator. Yes, like this, right? Afterwards, just crosswise look at this. Crosswise look. 8 by 21 into 3 by 7. Yes. See 8 by 21 multiplication 3 by 7. Any combination we cancel. 8 and 7. There is no common factor. And look at this side, 21 and 3. So common factor is here 3. Yes, 3 is the common factor. Yes, we can divide this 21 by 3. 1 times 3. And in 21, how many times we can divide by 3? 21 7 times. Okay, 3 7 21. Yes, so 7 times we can divide. So afterwards, next one, multiply the numerator. 8 multiply 1 is 8, and multiply the denominator. 7 multiply 7. Yes, 7 multiply 7 is 7 7 49 is the answer. Okay, the answer is 8 by 49. Next, question number 5. Question 5. 7 divided by 7 by 5 divided by 7 by 5. 7 by 5 divided by 7 by 5. Okay, just first number write 7 by 5 and change the symbol multiplication. Reciprocal for this number is 7 by 5. Reciprocal is 5 by 7. Okay, change the symbol. Change the numbers. Okay, denominator goes to numerator and numerator comes to denominator. Okay, so that is 5 by 7. Yes. So reciprocal for this number is this one. Okay, written. Now crosswise look at it. If there is any common factor, cancel it. 5 5 cancel. 7 7 cancel it. And answer is 1. Got it? Answer is 1 multiply 1 1 and 1 multiply 1. Okay, 1 by 1 you can tell as 1. Yes. Next let us see question number 6. Question number 6. 21 by 28 divided by 14 by 3. Yes. Look at this number 21 by 28 divided by 14 by 3. So first number write. First number only you have to write. Okay. 21 by 28. Write the first number as it is. The first number you should not disturb anything. Okay. Don't change the first number here and there. Okay. Just first number as it is right. Then afterwards change the symbol. Division you change into multiplication, and the reciprocal part is 14 by 3 means like 3 by 14. Yes. 3 by 14. Okay. Just change the symbol. 3 goes numerator, 14 comes denominator. Yes. After writing this, crosswise look at this. 28 3. Any common factor? No. 21 14. Is there any common factor? Yes. 7 is the common factor. See, 2 times you can divide, and 21 3 times you can divide. Yes. So divide by 7 2 times, and here is 3 times. Okay. Divide by 7. Then afterwards, any common factor you can cancel? No. So after 1 to do 3 multiply 3. Yes. 3 multiply 3 by 28 multiply 2. So 3 3 9. 28 multiply 2 56. So 9 by 56 is the answer. 7th question. 0 divided by 5 into 7 by 11. Yes, children, see, all this fraction we got a whole number and a fraction. Whole number and a fraction, or fraction by fraction. And here we are getting one more whole number and here mixed fraction. Yes, mixed fraction. This is a mixed number. Now, first time we are coming here mixed number. So we know if we come in the calculation mixed number, what do we know? Yes. So what we have to do? Change the mixed number into improper fraction. Yes. Change the mixed number into improper fraction. So that is first number right 0. Yes. Divided means what we will do? Division means change the symbol multiplication. Then 5 into 7 by 11. This mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. Mixed fraction wherever coming, change into improper. So 5 multiply 11. 5 11 55. 55 plus 7. 55 plus 7 is 62. Yes, 62 by 11. Yes. Okay. No need to change now. Next step we will change. Yes. Division first one. First we change the number into like the change the first step, change the mixed number into improper. Okay. Afterwards 0, change the symbol, division changes into multiplication. Then afterwards we know what to do. 11 by 62. Got it? You have to change the symbol on comes to the okay. Numerator denominator goes to numerator. Yes. So 0 multiply any number. What is the answer? 0 multiply any number, answer is 0 multiply 1 0, 0 multiply 1000 0, 0 multiply 11 by 62 also 0. Yes, so answer is 0. Got it? And last 8th question. Question number 8. That is 4 1 by 2 divided by 18. This is the question. 4 1 by 2 divided by 18. So first convert the mixed fraction into improper. 4 multiplied to 8. 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1, that is 9 by 2. Then afterwards we know, yes, 9 by 2. This number is can change the mixed number into improper. Yes, then change the symbol. Division changes to multiplication. Then this is like 18 by 1. Yes, no? 18 means 18 by 1. So opposite is 1 by 18. Yes. So now 9, 18. 1 time 9. Divide both number by 9. 1 time 9 in 18, 2 times 9 there. Okay, 2 9 18. Yes, and this side nothing there. So 1 multiply 1 1 and 2 multiply 2 2 to 4. So answer is 1 by 4. Yes, got it? Children, I will give you 2 questions. Okay. Question number 9 and 10. These 2 questions kindly like this practice. Okay. Homework. 2 questions 9 and 10. Same method. Yes. First step, if there is if the question is in the mixed fraction, change the mixed fraction into improper. Second step, if there is division, change the division into multiplication. Third step, okay, you have to change, after changing division into multiplication, okay, you have to change the number. Numerator comes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator. Yes. Very simple. Okay, each step, just follow it. Very easy. This exercise 8D is very easy. You can do this 2 questions as homework. Okay, let us see the remaining in the next class. Thank you.